Good morning, students. Let's start with the final and the revision part of Chapter 3 Atoms and Molecule, Class 9 Science Chemistry. Let's begin. Now, this part is having all the content in the form of notes, so you can also remember this PPT and note down in your notebook. Laws of chemical combinations. Law of conservation of mass state that mass can neither be created or nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. So whatever all reactants are there, they are going to convert into product, or the loss energy will remain in environment but it will never be destroyed. This means that during a chemical reaction, the sum of the masses of reactant and products remains unchanged. Let's see a activity. Take some sodium sulfate solution in a conical flask and some barium chloride solution in the ignition tube. Hang the ignition tube in the flask by the thread and the pot or cork on the flask. Find the mass of flask on the balance. What did you find? 300.23 gram. A chemical reaction takes place and sodium chloride and barium sulfates are formed by the double displacement reaction. Then find the mass of flask again. It will be seen that the sum of the masses of reactant and products remain unchanged, which is 300.23 gram, which obey our law of conservation of mass. Law of constant proportion state that in a chemical compound the elements are always present in a definite proportion. Like water, everywhere it is H2O. Water always contains two elements of hydrogen and one element of oxygen combined together in the ratio of 2:16 or 1:8 by the mass. If 9 gram of water is decomposed, we get 1 gram of hydrogen and 8 gram of oxygen. So proportion of oxygen to water remains unchanged. Ammonia, NH3, always contain two elements of nitrogen and hydrogen combining together in the ratio of 14:3 by mass. Dalton's atomic theory. Now, what all are the 6 major points? We have already discussed about the Dalton's atomic theory in our previous slide. Let's revise. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Now, everything in your surroundings are made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms are indivisible and cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. Atoms of given elements are similar in mass and properties. Atoms of different elements have different masses and properties. Atoms combine in small whole number ratio to form compounds. In given compound, the relative number and the kinds of atoms are constant. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that may or may not exist independently and retains all the chemical properties. Atoms are very small in the size and smaller than anything we can imagine to compare with. Atomic radius is measured in a nanometer. 1 nanometer is equals to 10 raised to minus 9 meter and 1 meter is equals to 10 raised to 9 nanometer. For example, the atomic radius of an atom of hydrogen is 10 raised to minus 10 meter. The radius of molecule of water is 10 raised to minus 9 meter. So you can imagine how small they are. Symbols of atoms of different elements. The symbol of atoms of elements are represented by the letters. The symbol of some elements are represented by one letter and some other symbols of the represented by two letters. If symbol has only one letter, it should be written as capital letter. For example, nitrogen. And if the symbol has two letters, then the first letter should be capital and second letter should be small. For example, aluminium. You can see argon is written AR, boron is written B, barium is written Ba, bromine is written Br, calcium Ca, carbon C, chlorine Cl, fluorine F, oxygen O, potassium K, hydrogen H, iodine I, lead Pb, magnesium Mg, iron Fe, uranium U, sulfur S, sodium Na, that has come from natrium, and silver Ag, silicon Si. So these are the common metals, non-metals and the noble gases that we use in our daily lives. Atomic mass. Since the atoms are very small in size, its mass is very small, and determining the mass is very difficult. So the mass of an atom is compared with the mass of a standard atom. The atom which considered as the standard atom for comparing the masses of other atom is carbon 12 atom, whose atomic mass is 12 unit, which is AMU, 12 atomic mass unit. 1 atomic mass unit is the mass of 1 upon 12th of the mass of carbon atom, carbon 12 atom. The atomic mass of an element is defined as the average mass of one atom of an element compared with 1/12 of the mass of carbon atom. Atomic mass of some elements are given in the below table. So atomic mass is the atom number proton plus number of neutron. Molecules. A molecule is the smallest particle of an element or the compound which exists independently and show all the properties of that substance. A molecule is a group of two or more elements that are held together by the attractive forces. Atoms of the same element or the different elements can join together to form molecules by the ionic bond or covalent bond. You can see the various bonding between the elements and the compound. Molecule of an element. Molecule of an element contain atom of same element. Molecules of some element contain only one atom, and molecule of some elements contain two or more atoms. Atomicity of an element is the number of atoms present in one molecule of an element. So you can see if one molecule is there, that is called the monoatomic, argon, helium. Oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, chlorine are diatomic. They have two elements. Polyatomic, phosphorus, P4, S8. Sodium, iron and aluminium are monoatomic. You can also see that how they are metals and non-metals. Molecule of compound. Molecule of a compound contain atom of two or more different types of elements. Molecules of some compounds are given and named here: water having hydrogen and oxygen, ammonia 1 nitrogen 3 hydrogen, carbon dioxide 1 carbon 2 oxygen, hydrochloric acid 1 hydrogen 1 chlorine, nitric acid HNO3, so 1 hydrogen 1 nitrogen and 3 oxygen, sulfuric acid, that is 2 hydrogen 1 sulfur and 4 oxygen. Ions. Compounds containing metal and non-metal elements contain the charged particles called the ions. An ion is charged particle having positive or negative charge. A positively charged ion is called cation and negatively charged ion is called the anion. Valency is something of combining capacity of an element. Some common ions and their valencies are given. Sodium, potassium, silver, copper have one valency. Magnesium, calcium, zinc, iron 2, copper 2 have two valency. Aluminium, which having 3 valency. You can see their symbols and how they form the ions. Writing chemical formulas. Write the symbol formula of the elements or ions so that the symbol of the metal or positive ion is on the left hand symbol and formula of non-metal or negative ion is on the right. Write the valencies of elements or ions below the elements or ions. Cross over the valencies of combining ions. Polyatomic ion should be enclosed in the bracket before writing the formula. Formula of hydrogen chloride. So let's write the valency 1 1. So it is written as HCl. Formula of hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen having 1 valency, sulfur having 2 valency, H2S. Formula of magnesium chloride. Mg is having 2 valency, chlorine is having 1. So we will write MgCl2. Formula of carbon tetrachloride. Carbon is having 4 valency and chlorine is having 1 valency. So you can write as CCl4. You can see the calcium oxide, that is C2O2 or CaO. Aluminium oxide, Al2O3. Sodium nitrate, Na2NO3. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. And sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. ammonium sulfate NH4SO4. Molecular mass formula unit mass. The molecular mass of substance is the sum of the atomic mass of all the atoms in the molecule of the substance. Molecular mass is expressed in the atomic mass unit. Molecular mass of water H2O is hydrogen 1 unit, oxygen 16. So molecular mass of H2O is 1 into 2 plus you have to write 16, that is 18 unit. Molecular mass of nitric acid HNO3, 1 for hydrogen, 14 for nitrogen and 16 for oxygen. Now hydrogen and nitrogen, they are 1 but oxygen are 3, so 16 into 3 plus 14 plus 1, the answer is 63 unit AMU. Mole concept. A mole of a substance is that the amount of substance which contain the same number of particles that are present in 12 gram of carbon. The number of particles present in 12 gram of carbon is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. This number is called Avogadro number or Avogadro constant. A mole represents two things. It represents the definite number of particles, atoms, molecules or ions equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. It represents a definite mass of substance equal to the gram atomic mass of an element or gram molecular mass of compound. Gram atomic mass of an element is, it's the atomic mass expressed in the gram, like O2 16 into 2 32 gram. Gram molecular mass of compound H2O 1 into 2 plus 16, that is 18 gram. So relationship between the number of moles, mass, molar mass and number of atoms of molecules and Avogadro number is given. So here we finish with the chapter 3, atoms and molecules introduction. Now chapter 4 is all about detailed atomic structure. So chapter 3 and 4 we will do together. Just after this chapter I'll send chapter 4. I hope you have understood chapter 3. Please write all the definitions as well as the PDF in your notebook under essay 2 partition. Thank you.